my birthday today and Josh is making me work. I really just want to sit down, relax, have a couple of lemon squashes. Actually, or could they be ginger beers or apple cider? Anyway, whatever.
You're putz.
Definitely not lemon squash. Lemon squash is crap. Anyway, it's my birthday. Happy birthday, Andrew. I'm now 38 years old.
Can people actually guess his real age? Comment.
No, 38, I'm telling you, I'm 38. Right?
38.
No, 38. So now we're going to fix that little hole there you left. And but we're going to, just a couple of little rust spots inside, which we talked about once before. Then we're going to put this panel on. And we're going to put the wheel tub in. We're going to work sequentially in this direction until we look around. This is a quick squeeze at the completed sill. Next we're going to do the end caps and the A pillar.
Alright, you gotta stop that Star Wars.
Okay, just been doing the end plates to the sill boxes or torque boxes, sills, all these names. I'll just show it to you while I'm at it. We just made that plate up. One-handed job here. Excuse the noise. That's all that is. See if we can look at it. It's actually a really easy plate to make up. Just make it simple. If you've got any of the old one left over. And they charge 50 to 55 or 60 bucks plus freight to get it. I just didn't think that was worth it. And I think I did a better job anyway. It's thicker metal. It's the original thickness. But beautiful. So that's it. We finally got her out of bed. She's all ready for a hard day's work. And she's as happy as anything.
Are you looking at yourself in that?
Oh no, definitely not me.
Spent 10 minutes looking for the seatbelt holder because he's popped it down somewhere and forgotten.
Oh, here it is. I painted it. It's the wrong colour.
No shit. We just spent 10 minutes looking for that. In saying that though, I did look right there and did see it as well. No, you just covered it in seam sealer.
It's all right.
What a putz.
I got it here. You there?
Yeah.
Shellite. You can wipe down seam sealer with shellite. You can also remove stickers with it, and remember you're pulling your GT stripes off your car and it leaves the gum behind. This is the ticket to get rid of it. It can't damage the paint, can't do anything wrong. It's wonderful. It's a wonderful product.
Yeah, just funny, like you look really grey in this angle. Yeah, it looks like someone's etch primed your head.
Go chase a parked car. I feel like grinding it and gluing it on in position.
Gluing it in position and then welding it?
Otherwise it might become an in position. Yep, she's going to do some spray painting. Just a little bit.
So,
The 2 seat supports are on. And that's it, done and dusted. Perfect, ready to be
we've got some.
edge primed up. Still a bit hot. Take a close look, Josh. No gaps, which was an effort. And but strong and brand spanking new. Straight. Looks like a perfect car. Well, we should be doing lots of things, but we're going to just finish off the B pillar. A pillar. I'm dyslexic. What can I say? And, yeah, just to do the A pillar, we're just doing a few touch-ups with a bit thin spots and stuff. Made that patch, and that one last there, and fill those little, do those holes with a little plate in here, and it's all very honky dory. She's gone over there for a cup of tea or something. And here's my little patch I'm making. Just cut this out, little CAD drawing here. Nothing like a bit of CAD. Yep, that's it. Okay, I want to show people how to do a straight line with steel, because it's not hard and it just takes a little bit of finesse. So come closer, get in here, come on, don't be shy, in you get. Alright, so you start off at the beginning like normal, and just watch. And see what that does is that scribes the line, and it's dead set straight as an arrow, and you don't have to worry about it slipping out. So you can go there and go for it. So it's easy from there on. And I'll do all of them before I actually do my cuts. Then it's always 100% perfect.
Look, he looks chuffed, doesn't he?